Traders, we got a holiday week ahead of us. It's going to be a very slow week this week and probably next week too because of the holidays. Let's take a look at what's moving this morning. We got ITCI up over 107%, over 4 million traded pre-market. That's going to be in play. It's a small price stock, but it's moving. SRPT up over 9%, over 240,000 traded pre-market. That's in play. TSLA up over 1.5%, over 300,000 traded pre-market. That's in play. This sucker has been climbing consistently for quite a while. I think it needs a pullback, but you never know. These stocks can move and continue moving for a while. If we look down the line here, everything's green. Everything's green. Santa Claus rally. Anyways, we also stream these every weekday morning around 8 a.m. alongside market gauges SPY, QQQ, DIA, and VXX. If you're interested, you can check us out around 8 a.m. So let's go trade. ITCI, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask. Alright, we are in. This thing is stretched to the max. Target on this thing is going to be right here. See if we can get it. Alright, we're out. Nice! Nice! We just grabbed a quick 90 cents off of this right from the highs there. I mean, it's probably going to drop a little bit more, but this thing is up so much that you don't really know. It's the first candle. I just want to get a pullback from the top there, and we did. TSLA, thinking about shorting this thing. Once it gets over 415, we're going to short it. Just want it over 415. All right, we're over 215. Let's get in this. All right, we're in. We're in at 415.91. All right, this thing is screaming here, but it's going to pull back. Target on this is going to be 414, and stop loss is we're coming up on it. Stop loss is going to be around 417, but we're going to let it breathe here because I don't think it can hold. Market is dropping and this thing is climbing. This is just a squeeze here. Once it starts to drop, I think it's going to drop nicely. But if it doesn't, we're going to have to come out of this soon. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Alright, it's coming back to us. If market continues to drop, we'll stay in it. If market doesn't, then we'll come out. Alright, it's coming down. We're going to come out of this. I don't like this. Let's get out of this. We're out. We're out with, what is that, about a 55-cent loser. 60, close to 60 cents. The market's dropping. This thing's still climbing. I got in it because the market was dropping, and this thing could see 420, 430, just like that. So maybe we'll take it a little bit. TSLA still climbing here. I want to jump in this one more time. I just want it over 417. All right, we're over 417. Let's take this right here. Come on, hit us. All right, we're in. We're in at 417.60. Target's going to be 116.50. Stop loss will be 418.50. About a point each way. This thing's gotta take a breather. All right, here it comes. Let's take a look at this thing up close. See if we can do a quick trade here. We're pretty much at our stop here, but I'm not coming out. We're gonna hold off. We're gonna hold off here. I just think it has to take a good sized breather, and it just can't continue to climb like this without pulling back like a couple of points anyway. Alright, here we go. It's coming back. TSLA went over to our stop real quick, but it's coming back to us now. Should see a nice pullback here. Can't keep going like that. Let's take a look at this thing up close here. Come on. TSLA, all right, it's about to crack 417. All right, here we go. Let's take this right here if we can. Does not want to hit us there. You know what? We're going to cancel that. If it drops below there, it'll drop even harder. Come on. I think we can get a little bit more. Market is still dropping, so there's no reason why this stock doesn't drop. Come on. All right, here it comes. Come on. Nice big fat seller. Here we go. Here we go. All right, let's take this right here if we can. Come on. Hit us. All right, you know what? We're going to hold off. It didn't hit us that time. We're going to hold off. This thing's going to drop harder. All right, TSLA, we're gonna come out of this right here. All right, we're out. We just got back what we lost earlier. I started losing confidence that this thing was going to drop because the market is about to turn. It was dropping from all-time highs. It dropped, and now the market's going to turn around. This thing did not react the way I wanted it to, so we got out with a 55 cent, close to 60 cent winner, and good thing because it's climbing out. We got back what we lost on it. BA, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask if we can get hit. All right, we are in. We are in at 338.69. This thing got halted this morning and it's up quite a bit. So I think you're going to have a few sellers up here. They already started selling. It's consolidating a little bit here. So I think we can at least get a point off of this. So target on this thing is going to be around 337.75 area, and stop loss will be around 339.50, about a point each way. But this thing is up quite a bit this morning. I think it's going to climb, but before it climbs, I think you're going to get a few sellers in this. Not going to hold this forever though. If it starts to climb, we're just going to come out of it. Just because it is up big today, this morning. But it's up so much that I think you're going to get a few sellers. And they're already starting to sell. But you never know. This is a big company. Very resilient. You know what? We're going to get out of this. I don't want no part of this. Come on. All right, we're out. We're out. I was just thinking about it. This is a really, really good company. And the market is starting to climb again. It's at all-time highs. There was no reason for me to get in this. Not here. I should have got in at the tippity top, but chances are this thing is going to climb. We took what, a 2 cent loss, 1 cent loser on this plus commissions. Anyways, trades, that's going to be it for us today. Don't really see anything else that looks good. Market's at all-time high. It just dipped. It's going to be very slow this afternoon, tomorrow, next week, because of the holidays. So if you guys can keep it green, keep it green. We're up 129. Let's take a look at the trades. 4 trades, 2 winners, 2 losers. Our biggest winner on ITCI and our biggest loser on TSLA. Thanks for watching.